Today I want to do a demonstration for you of the silicone burger mold. Now, it makes 4 burgers or 4 patties at a time. I've already added, I like my hamburgers spicy, so I put some chopped jalapenos in there and I already kind of rolled them up into balls already. So let's go just like that. And then you've got this little part that smashes them down. Oh yeah. Oh, that's slick. And it doesn't stick to this guy. Ah, that's a good looking patty. All right, moving on to the next one. Oh, yeah. This is so slick, and you don't have to worry about, getting your hands all dirty, making the patties yourself. You just use this guy. Then when you're ready to flip to the other side, you simply put the separator in. So the separator slides in here, just like so. Ah, this guy's easy to use. Now, a couple things to note. This is dishwasher safe. You could use this on any ground meat. You could do it with sausage, or you could do it with say, ground turkey, anything, whatever you wanted to use it on. Oh, yeah. Now, I like to keep my beef at room temperature before I cook it. So after I make the patties, I'm going to just leave it in here, leave it at room temperature before I start grilling. But this is slick. Oh, yeah. Look how nice those patties look. And so now that I've done both sides, and now you can flip it over, and it's like a little sandwich. And it's good to go. You could put it back in the refrigerator, or you could leave it out like I'm going to do until you're ready to grill. Very cool product. I recommend it.